थर्ड पार्ट को देखेंगे. थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट विल बी टू demonstrate the exchange of radiant energy from one surface to another is dependent upon their interconnecting geometry. Means ये कि that is the function of amount that each surface can see the other surface. Basically here we introduce a shape factor. F shape factor is the fraction of energy leaving surface 1 which reaches to the surface 2. Means area 1 A1 से जो एनर्जी लीव हुई है वो A2 तक कितनी पहुंची है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे, शेप फैक्टर इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. फिर उसकी एनर्जी कैलकुलेट करने का तरीका यह है कि Q12 इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द वन फर्स्ट सरफेस मल्टीप्लाई बाय शेप फैक्टर F122 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय सिग्मा इंटू T1 रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 4 माइनस T2 रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 4. इस तरह अगर Q21 आपने कैलकुलेट करनी हो तो उसका फार्मूला क्या होगा, Q2 ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल टू A2 F ऑफ 21 इंटू सिग्मा इंटू T2 रेज टू द पावर ऑफ 4 माइनस T2 raised to the power of 4. In this experiment, the value of this black plate temperature will remain constant, and we will change this aperture by sliding it both vertical plate by forward or backward. And radiometer is behind this aperture. The radiometer will read all those take the readings of those radiations which are coming through this aperture. Here our temperature will remain approximately constant, and let's take this as 46. It is decreasing down. Let give time to controller so that the temperature becomes stabilized itself. Now the temperature is at 42 degrees centigrade, and now we will start taking reading by decreasing the value of the aperture. Initially the distance between these two vertical plates, this aperture is 60 millimeter, and we will note reading for this aperture. That reading of radiometer is 0.008. Now we will decrease the size of this aperture to approximately 50 millimeter. Now the aperture value is approximately 50 millimeter, but the value of the radiometer is 8. Now there is need to decrease the value of this aperture by more amount, as here the value of the aperture, the distance between these two vertical plates is approximately 20 millimeters, and now we check the value of the radiometer here, that is 0.007. As we are going to decrease the value of the aperture, radiometer readings decreases down. Now we are going to decrease the value of aperture by some more amount. Now the aperture value is approximately 10 millimeter, and now we will take the value of radiometer. Here is the value of radiometer at aperture value of 10 millimeter, that is 6. Now we will decrease it to the value of 5 millimeter, aperture value to the 5 millimeter. Now approximately aperture value is about 5 millimeter. Now we will look at the radiometer reading, that is 6. Now we take these readings at some other temperature. Previous temperature was 42 degrees centigrade. Now increase it by some amount by using this knob. Now the temperature is settled to 112 degrees centigrade. Radiometer reading is 58 at aperture value of 60 millimeter. The aperture value, this is the distance between two vertical plates, is 60 millimeter. And take this reading at 60 millimeter. the value of radiometer is 58. Now we will decrease the value of aperture. Now the value of aperture is approximately 50 millimeter, and the value of this radiometer reading is 55. Now we will decrease it further to 40. Aperture value is 40 millimeter, and the value of the radiometer reading is 47. Note down these readings. Now I have reduced the aperture value to the 30 millimeter. Note down the readings of the radiometer, 38. Further decreasing the aperture value to 20. Now the aperture value is 20 millimeter, the distance between the two vertical plates, and the radiometer reading is 32. I have further reduced the aperture value to 10 millimeter. Now check the readings of the radiometer. The reading of the radiometer is 24. I have reduced further the aperture value to the 5 millimeter. Now look at the radiometer reading, that is 16 millimeter. And these were several readings at two different temperature. Note down these readings with you, and I am going to show you a simple table for these readings. Just look at the table. Just look here. At above you can see the table for noting the readings. You have the aperture value. We consider the aperture values of 60 millimeter, 50 millimeter, 40 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 20 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 5 millimeter. Whereas the temperature was 112 degrees centigrade for second reading, and for first reading it was, I think, 44 or 42. You have to plot the graph for this. On x-axis you have the aperture value, and on y-axis you have radiometer readings. So you have to plot a graph for this experiment also.